it becomes very, very simple to say, I can see a movement fault. Someone's knees are falling in the squat. And I can now work out what is causing that. But to be honest with you, from a practical point of view, that's completely useless. Completely useless. So who was hyperextending in their overhead position? Okay? You guys hyperextending in your overhead position. I need your abs are weak, your glutes need to be a little stronger, and I'd like to see a little bit more shoulder flexion. Are they fixed? Are they cured? No, all we've done is diagnose it. You go and see your GP, feeling sick, low on energy, they take a blood test and they say, yep, you've got a virus. Next! It doesn't work. This is a diagnosis. And though a diagnosis is really useful, unless we do something with that diagnosis, it's not useful. And that's when we need to actually make some sort of correction.